Alrighty, so let me get all situated here. For this video, I'm basically just going to be showing you how I have been styling my hair, trying to bring the curls back to life since it's so damaged. So let's just get into it. I just wet my hair and I just left some conditioner in it. So I'm just going to split it in half. So yeah, my hair is pretty damaged. A lot of people wouldn't say that it is, but it is. I straightened my hair one time last year, yeah, during the holidays, like I always get the urge to do, and then it gets messed up every time, and I just don't know why. I just don't learn my lesson. But so I was like, my hair is already damaged, so let me just add some blonde to it, and then that really messed it up. So now I'm kind of like in the transitioning phase, which I never really went through before because I always would just cut my hair off. Like this is 3 times, I think. I like shaved it when Jada Pinkett on everybody. So yeah, I just been trying to find like the best way to transition. So I have a Denman brush, and it is a lifesaver because it clumps all my curls together for me. But for the sake of this video, I'll be showing you my actual finger coiling technique and all that stuff. And then I'm going to apply the Miss Jessie's Leave-In Condish. I love this stuff. I just went to go get my second bottle, so I'm trying to finish this one up. I ain't stingy with the product, okay? So just rake that through and just make sure it's all coated. I'll show you the pieces that I take to do my finger coils. It'll probably be about this big. And then so I'll just smooth it down and then literally just curl it. So I'll go through and do that. So if you feel like your hair is getting dry, feel free to add more water or more product. This product is super slippery, which I like, so it'll just glide down my fingers. Alright, so now that first section that I did, the lower half, is all done. I'm going to take the Ouidad Climate Control and I'm going to put a little bit of that in my hand. Scrunch, scrunch. If you're going to use a leave-in conditioner with a gel, just make sure that they're like compatible, because I know sometimes I'll think that I have like a good combination of products and then I mix them together and they get all clumpy and white flakes everywhere, so your hairstyle is pretty much fucked up at that point. But these ones work well together, so then you're just gonna repeat. And just make sure that you're smoothing down the section at the root that you're gonna twirl. I don't really mind frizz because my hair tends to be flat, so I use like a pick at the end anyways when it's dry to like fluff it up. So now I'm just gonna actually split this whole back section off into its own little area. I'm not sure on how I want to do my part yet. Sometimes I like it in the middle, but I feel like my hair has definitely grown since I cut it again. And so I don't know if it'll look good if it's down the middle or if I should just keep it on the side. So like, look at how dry, like lifeless, I tell you. I swear when I'm not in front of the camera, it doesn't take me this long. I don't usually do my full head, but you want to twirl the way that your curls are going. And there are going to be pieces of my hair that like just don't curl, so like, what is this? What is this? I'm just going to cut this one off. Well, I have no issue cutting my hair either. Like, if something is obnoxious, I'll just cut it off. I mean, I guess that'll explain half of the reason why my hair is the way it is, but I think I'm gonna do it kind of like at like a swoop though, because some of the hair isn't long enough to like fully go over there, so I'll do it kind of like that. This will be the hair that goes to this side, obviously. You hate when your hair has like product in it and it keeps touching your face. Ugh, I hate it. Tight, tight, a little bit of gel. My arm. So now for the last part, still the same thing, it's just I'm twisting it and I'm gonna go to the side. So I kind of like having the bang look, so I'll do this part. Yeah, got in my eye. I'm gonna take these little clips, looking like the Grudge, and I'm just gonna put them in the spots where I feel like the hair will move. So I'll put it like right here, clip it. You can also do this if you want like more volumized roots in general, if you're not even doing the curly or the finger twirling method. So I learned that from the curl doctor himself. Okay. So you can either let your hair air dry, or if you're in a rush, you can diffuse. Actually, I haven't diffused my hair in a minute, and I should start because I don't like to let my hair dry before I leave the house. And since it's getting colder, I think that just be my best bet to blow dry it, and you know, so. I'll do all that stuff and then I will be back and I'll show you all the results and how I separate the curls. Alright, so I diffused my hair and this is what it looks like so far. Like, didn't fluff it up, didn't separate anything yet. It looks a little crazy because it's so flat. With the gel, it does give it a little cast, so we're gonna go through and break that cast, you feel me? So now that that's kind of done, we can go ahead and separate some of the curls. I'm gonna take some of the almond oil. I'm gonna go through and just find where the hair just wants to separate on its own. So keep in mind that the more that you separate, the bigger that your hair is gonna get. So if you do plan on keeping this hairstyle for multiple days, just know that it's gonna get bigger every day. Now I do like this bang style, but I don't want to cut these, so I'm just gonna fold it up like this, and then I'm gonna stick a bobby pin and just kind of stick it in wherever, and just cover the hair up like that. And then the star of the show, want to go through and like lift it. Don't try to drag it all the way through your hair. If you are gonna try and drag it through your hair, literally take it and then, I don't know if you can see, and just shake it a little bit, and then that's how you'll get the look. That's pretty much it. Now, with the pieces that look like crap, I will do a slight trimming like this, I mean, I don't have hair cutting scissors with me, so I'll just take whatever's sharp. And then to like this little guy, you'll just want to snip it. Like, I'm just gonna snip it like right here. I feel like I do this to my hair every time I do it. It's probably why it's growing back so fast. And I know this may be time consuming, but honestly it's so worth it. Like, look at the result. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. That is pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more curly hair tutorials or whatever on how I'm transitioning, I will post more. I think I'm going to do a little bit of different hairstyles. I don't know how to braid. I'm limited, okay? That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.